Hello students, today we are going to discuss the possible 5-mark question from the chapter determinants. Okay, so it is a proof, just we can check what it is. So we need to prove this determinant is equal to this, that is 1a square, 1b square, 1c square is equal to a minus b minus c minus a. For this we need to perform elementary operation, that is for row or column we will minus or add or interchange the elements, that are called elementary operations. So first we need to check which are possible to make 0. Here 1 is easy to make it as 0. Here this row is minus r2 minus r1, this becomes 0, correct? 1 minus 1, 0. Similarly r3 minus r1 we will get 1 minus 1, again 0. So we need to make maximum 0 elements in order to make the simplification more easier. So we are going to perform which elementary operation? R2 we are going to change as R2 minus R1, at the same time R3 is also going to change as R3 minus R1. Clear? That is, these two elements we will going to make it as 0. So after performing this elementary operation, the first row remains as such because we are performing to R2 and R3. So for this determinant 1a square there is no change, and for the second row 1 minus 1 we have 0, b minus a, b square minus a square, just we followed this instruction, R2 minus R1. This is R2, this is R1. Similarly, the next instruction just follow, that is R3. R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 we have 0, c minus a is the, then c square minus a square. Okay, now we got this determinant after performing. So here just check this, we can expand it, correct? B square minus a square is equal to b minus a into b plus a. Here c square minus a square is again c minus a into c plus a. So expand it here. That is the next step. This can be written as first row elements as such, 1a square. Then here 0 b minus a. This can be expanded and write as b minus a and b plus a, which is the expansion of b square minus a square. Then the third row we have 0, c minus a, then c minus a into we have c plus a. Now just check here, common we can take. Here in this row b minus a is common, and in third row c minus a is common. So just take that outside, okay? So we will get the new matrix as, not matrix, sorry, determinant. We are taking b minus a and c minus a is taking outside, which is common. So we will get 1a square. Then 0, when we take b minus a outside, this here it will become 1. Okay, correct, 1, b minus a by b minus a. Then here we have taken b minus a outside, then remaining we have b plus a. So b plus a. Here 0, c minus a has taken outside, so 1. Here c minus a has taken outside, so remaining c plus a. c plus a. Now what else we can do? Here one more term we can make it as 0. Here 2 ones are there. So 1 minus 1, again this can be 0. So that operation we can perform. That elementary operation we can write it as R3 is again going to change as R3 minus R1. Okay, this row, not R1, it's R2. R3 minus R1. So what it will become? This as such outside we can write it as b minus a and c minus a, it's there outside. Then first row there is no change, a square. Then next we have 0, 1, b plus a. then last row we are going to change. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. C plus A, how this will become? Here C plus A minus B plus A. There we are subtracting this to this. So C plus A, and opening the bracket we will get here minus B minus minus A. So here plus A and minus A we can cancel. Remaining we have C minus B. C minus B. So after performing the elementary operations, we got the determinant like this. Now what we can do? We can column wise we can expand this determinant, because on column, if we take in the first column, there is only one element. Other two elements are 0. So it is easy to expand along the column. So B minus A and C minus A, you can keep it there. Then you are going to expand along column wise. So only one element, 1 into this column and its corresponding row, this element. C minus B into 1, we have C minus B. Minus 0 into any term, just put it as 0. Now we got the terms, these three terms. B minus A into C minus A. Now we have one more term, C minus B. So just to check whether this answer can be relating to this. Here we have B minus A, here we have A minus B. Here we have C minus A, it is the, so this term is correct. Here we have B minus C, but we have C minus B, that is, there is a change in a negative sign in two terms. So just take a negative outside from these two terms. So if we take two negative sign outside, here it will become A minus B, here it will become B minus C, here this as such C minus A. So two negative sign, it will become plus. So we have proved to the RHS. LHS is now equal to RHS. It's clear. So this type proof is important in determinants. Usually it can be asked in the 5 mark section. So keep practicing. This elementary operation you should just memorize, okay. On practicing you will get more easy thing. So by next class we can study other important 5 mark question. Okay.